Are you new to yoga and don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. This video is a simple guide to 5 essential yoga poses that are perfect for beginners. They're not only easy to practice, but also form the foundation for more advanced poses. You'll find them effective in building strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. So, whether you're looking to start your yoga journey or refresh your basics, these poses will serve you well. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first pose. Our first pose, the mountain pose or Tadasana, serves as the foundation for all other standing poses. To perform this pose, begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Ground your feet and evenly distribute your weight through the soles. Draw your awareness up through your legs and torso. Relax your shoulders and let your arms hang naturally with your palms facing forward. Broaden your collarbone and gently tuck in your chin to lengthen your neck. Close your eyes and take deep, steady breaths. The mountain pose is more than just standing. It's a powerful pose that helps improve posture by aligning your spine and strengthening your core. It also enhances balance by grounding you, connecting you to the earth beneath your feet. Furthermore, it encourages calm focus, allowing you to center your mind and become present in the moment. Remember, in yoga, it's all about the journey, not just the destination. Our next pose, the downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana, is a pose you'll do repeatedly in most yoga sequences. A truly transformative pose, it assists in fortifying your entire body, creating a strong foundation for your yoga practice. Let's get into it, shall we? Start on all fours, aligning your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you exhale, lift your knees off the floor, pushing your hips up towards the ceiling. Aim to create an inverted V shape with your body. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the ground, it's not a requirement. The focus is on lengthening the spine and stretching your body. This pose is a comprehensive body strengthener, working your shoulders, hamstrings, calves, arches, and hands. It's a fantastic way to stretch out after a long day or to warm up for a more intensive yoga sequence. As you hold this pose, enjoy the stretch. And remember, yoga is about connecting with your breath and your body. As with all poses, remember to breathe and relax into the pose rather than forcing it. Scene script. Next up is Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2, a powerful standing pose that helps build stamina, back with one foot, turning your toes out to the side. Your front foot should point straight ahead. Align your front heel with the arch of your back foot. Extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the ground, reaching strongly from fingertip to fingertip. Gaze out over your front hand, keeping your torso and hips oriented towards the side. Bend your front knee, aiming to get it directly above your ankle. Try to create a right angle with your leg, but don't worry if you're not there yet. This pose not only stretches your legs and ankles, but also builds stamina. It's a reminder of the warrior within us all, the power and strength we can tap into whenever we need it. Remember, yoga is a practice, not a perfect, so just do your best. Our final 2 poses are the tree pose, or Vrksasana, and the cobra pose, or Bhujangasana. Let's start with the tree pose. Imagine yourself as a tall, sturdy tree. Begin by standing straight, feet together. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Bend your left knee and place the sole of your left foot on your inner right thigh, toes pointing towards the floor, hands at the heart in prayer position, and when you're ready, extend them above your head, reaching towards the sky. This pose is a beautiful blend of balance and tranquility, just like a tree swaying gently in the breeze. Next, we move on to the cobra pose. Picture yourself as a powerful, elegant cobra. Start by lying on your stomach, palms flat on the floor under your shoulders. Push through your hands, lifting your upper body and curving your back, just like a cobra raising its head. Keep your elbows close to your body and your hips grounded. This pose stretches the muscles in the shoulders, chest, and abdominals, releasing tension and increasing flexibility. It's essential to remember that these poses are not about perfection, but progress. The tree pose enhances your balance, grounding you, while the cobra pose stretches and strengthens your upper body. Together, they provide a balanced practice that engages both your mind and body. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, so take it one pose at a time. And that's it. 5 essential yoga poses for beginners. We've journeyed through the grounding mountain pose, the invigorating downward facing dog, the empowering warrior 2, the balancing tree pose, and the uplifting cobra pose. These poses are the stepping stones to enhancing your flexibility, strength, and confidence in your yoga journey. Regular practice is key, but don't lose sight of the joy in each movement. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy your practice. So breathe, relax, and enjoy your journey into yoga.